Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan. Welcome back to The Forge. In today's episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith, we're going to be continuing on with our Victorian styly crane washing line thingy, and today we're going to be making what I'm calling the shackle, but it's probably not the shackle. This element is the part that's going to be holding the... So there's this one on this side and one on the other side. They're going to have a pulley in at the top here, and they're going to hold the wooden frame, which the washing's going to lay over. So, exactly. Fall at the first hurdle. Right, this is going on here, like so. And I'm just going to take the round side of my hammer. Okay, so the worst situation possible is, I kind of knew this was going to be really awkward. It's a bit hot again. But that appears, oh good, okay cool, wow that's hot. So, this is where we're at. Between making this video, except from the outro, which we're doing now, and and all the other problems that I keep having, the lathe is now broken. So, I think there's something wrong with the motor. Anyway, I need to look into it. I haven't had a chance to do it yet, but this is this works basically. For all the things that are broken, it's the simple things in life that work. So it moves. It's not very stable on this frame. I've just built this frame so I can take some pictures of it. And then these parts go up and down. Yeah, that's great. I want some information back from you guys now on this project. The first thing that I'd like to know, and genuinely like to know, is are you enjoying this project? I would rather be making things like this and doing longer part series, bigger and better and braver things every time. Partly practical, partly fun, partly artistic or whatever. So I'd like to know that. Second thing is, do you want to see me doing some machining? I'm not set up very well to do machining. It's not really my thing, but if you want to see it, please let me know. And then lastly, please let me know what you think of this. I am absolutely in love with it. I've really enjoyed doing this project, and I do want to do more stuff like this if you guys are interested. So next video will be the bed getting made, the other frame being fitted onto the wall where it's going to go, and then yeah, that's it basically. And then it's all going to get. I'm probably going to paint it black to stop it from going rusty, and yeah, going to hang it from the wall and use it and love it, hopefully. Ignore my woodworking here, it's awful, but thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are a subscriber, make sure you ring that bell for notifications, because it tells you every time I make stupid videos like these ones, and I make videos about twice a week. But sometimes more, sometimes less, and I do lives every now and then. Thank you for joining me. If you did enjoy this video, please let me know in the comments and let me know that you want to see more of this sort of stuff. And definitely do leave those likes. It does let me know if you enjoy the series. It lets me know then, basically, so I can do more stuff. And that's everything, so thank you for joining me. I will leave a link up here to part 1. I'll leave a link down here to part 2. This is my Patreon, and this is the subscribe button. Thanks for joining me, guys. Bye-bye.